This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Armada. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 5.6-liter V8. Its top features include an air suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, a DVD player, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: chrome wheels, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, a power rear lift tailgate, leather seats, a 4-wheel independent suspension, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, dual power seats, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.